Do you eat the pineapple core or throw it away? Believe it or not, this is one of the most nutritious parts of the pineapple fruit. Pineapple is a fruit rich in vitamin C, the standout nutrient in pineapple is vitamin C, which supports the immune system and provides antioxidant benefits. Vitamin C is important because it encourages growth and healing around the body, such as promoting collagen formation for healthy skin. And it plays a role in everything from wound repair to iron absorption. Eating pineapple may enhance your weight loss. You may have heard that pineapple can lead to increased metabolism and weight loss. Eating pineapple may aid your digestion. Pineapple contains bromelain, a mix of enzymes that studies have shown can reduce inflammation and nasal swelling. The manganese in pineapple promotes healthy bones along with calcium. The trace mineral manganese is essential for maintaining strong bones. Pineapple is packed with disease-fighting antioxidants. It is a great source of antioxidants, specifically phenolics, flavonoids, and vitamin C. Pineapple fits in an anti-inflammatory diet. Too much inflammation can lead to many diseases. As a healthy carb, pineapple makes a good addition to your bodybuilding diet. It not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but eating pineapple after a heavy workout may also help muscle recovery. The tropical fruit is rich in carbohydrates, which you need for energy. Antioxidants that may help relieve soreness. Eating a pineapple core doesn't sound too delectable, but it's good for your health. This part of the fruit contains bromelain, an enzyme that fights cancer and inflammation. With some creativity, you can enhance its flavor and make it taste amazing. Pineapple core is a good source of polyphenols. These antioxidants occur naturally in fruits, vegetables, and other plant-based foods. Another key antioxidant in pineapple helps your body make vitamin A. Both nutrients support the proper functioning of your immune system and promote eye and skin health. If you don't particularly enjoy eating the pineapple core raw, boil it in water for a few minutes. Next, cut it into small pieces and blend it until smooth.